Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The skip record if mail merge rule in Word lets you skip the printing of a record based on the value of a corresponding data field for the recipient record. To use the skip record if mail merge rule in Word, click to place your insertion mark cursor into the mail merge document. Then click the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Then click the Rules drop-down in the right and Insert Fields button group and select the Skip Record If command from the Buttons drop-down menu to open the Insert Word field Skip Record If dialog box. In this dialog box, select the name of the field within which to look for a value from the Field Name drop-down. Then select the desired comparison criteria from the Comparison drop-down. Then, if needed, type the comparison criterion into the Compare To field. Then click the OK button to insert the Mail Merge field into the document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.